Welcome to CGI Furniture. In this video, we'll explain the difference between 3D renders and 3D illustrations, how they are created, and the advantages of each type for your marketing materials. In 3D renders, your product looks ultra-realistic, with absolutely physically correct reflections and shadows. The production process for 3D renders is as follows. We create the 3D model set and apply the materials, set up the cameras in the scene, arrange the lighting for all the cameras, and render the results. The advantage of renders is their flexibility. You can easily change perspectives and materials, and if you decide you need more renders for your project, the cost per render can decrease significantly. Furthermore, we can produce renders quickly and in large quantities. Now, let's move on to 3D illustrations. In 3D illustrations, your product has an ideally polished look. Achieving this effect involves a more complex process. It requires individual editing of each image after modeling and rendering. Here is how it works. First, the cameras are set up to capture the scene from various angles. Next, lighting is carefully arranged for each camera individually. Upon your request, we can remove shadows and reflections. Also, if you wish to change the material, we will need to adjust the lighting for all views once again. Afterward, certain tricks are used to enhance specific parts of the model for each camera angle, such as setting up additional lighting and unwrapping textures. This is followed by rendering with layers and masks and then assembling the final image in Photoshop. As you can see, creating a 3D illustration involves continuous experimentation to achieve the ideal result, which can impact project timing. For example, in the case of this particular tap, creating the 3D illustration took 9 hours, while making the render took only 3 hours. So consider your options before starting your project. 3D rendering offers high realism, quicker turnaround times, and cost effectiveness. On the other hand, 3D illustration provides a polished, perfected look, but it requires more time and therefore costs more. CGI Furniture excels in both techniques. Contact us to make your product shine.